The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch. Dancehall.
Video 20 happy. Coffee water, I'm sure. Oh yeah, though. Show it, buddy. Yeah. Feel it, man. Feel it, man. Feel it. Eh? It's
a swell.
Yeah, show it, buddy. Yeah. Can video something? Show it in the bottle. No, man. Straight on top,
A mushroom?
Video.
I think I think I that then showing a
pad. No.
The pitney then name with the answer.
where?
The sweetie.
A China I come from, you know?
Yeah.
So shall I buy that?
A sweetie.
Shall I buy it?
That's blood class sweetie.
Shall I buy that?
Oh man, take it for now, pitney them.
So you know move.
Outside all this.
That's still a ticket. No, she banned them till I said, no, she buy it.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. Can any of you, my viewers and subscribers, tell me what is the name of that white thing shown in the video that swells up when someone throws water on it? Can any of you tell me if that thing is a compressed napkin or not? You understand? I did some research online and I found information about some things online that are said to be compressed napkins. Now that white thing shown in the video that I just presented to you that swells up and turns into some form of fabric when someone shown in the video throw water on it, that thing looks similar to those things that I saw online that are said to be compressed napkins. So what I'm saying to you? So you can let me know if that thing is a compressed napkin or if it is not a compressed napkin. In my point of view, that thing looks like a compressed napkin to me. However, I can be right and I can be wrong. You see what I'm saying to you? But you can let me know if I'm right or if I'm wrong. You see what I'm saying to you? Alright, and in the video I heard when someone mentioned the word sweetie. And to my knowledge, many Jamaicans call candy sweetie. You see what I'm saying to you? So I want to point it out to each and everyone out there that they should be careful of what they eat. Do not eat something if you do not know exactly what it is. So may I say to you, yeah, make sure you do not eat anything that can be dangerous for your health. And as an adult, make sure that children do not eat anything that can be dangerous for their health. Understand me? Alright, I have more videos that I'm going to present to you, but before I present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. The next video I'm going to present to you. This video is going to show when a police officer from within the country of Trinidad and Tobago gave a motorist a traffic ticket. According to some things that have been said in the video, I got the understanding that the motorist did not agree with what the police officer had done by giving him a traffic ticket. Now, according to some things that have been shown and said in this video, viewers and subscribers, I would like you to tell me what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video. You can also let me know if you agree or if you disagree with what the police officer had done. And you can also let me know if you agree or disagree with some of the things that the motorist said, alright? Yeah, the person talking in the background of this video is said to be the motorist who the police officer gave the traffic ticket, alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
I want to ship back. When you must do ship in the car, we be being realistic here, but you must ship.
So this officer follow me home. This is Black Star Productions. This officer follow me home with my car here. Right, I didn't make a bad drive. Right, it recorded at what time? he claimed that I made a bad driving from the police station. He coming out the station without any signal. I overtake to clear. Right, and he presented my electronic ticket for coming home to use the toilet. Right. This officer here, this is Blackstar Productions. Now I'll call him after, don't beat up on her. I was like, get your name and your number, please. So this is Didier Chase Kumoto. Right? I pull up in front of my house to use my toilet. This officer follow me home to give me a ticket, claiming that I overtake him. Right? I don't know, this man follow me home. I want to shit bank and take a purge now, boy. You understand? So I overtake a van and now passing in front of the station. He follow me straight home to issue me a ticket, saying if me see the police detail, it have no detail coming out of the station. It's just he pull out and looking to come out, turn around from in front of the station and follow me home. Thank you very much, officer. Yeah, you too. Your officer name is...
My name is Police Constable.
Right?
I want to find out license registration. That is the first way you introduce it.
Kissy Bachan, 10. Right, so this officer now give me $1,000 ticket for wanting to come home and use my toilet. Right? $1,000 ticket to come home to use my toilet. Officer, have a blessed day. I'm going to see you in court. And you're going to pay me for my time. Right, so look the ticket here. I got $1,000 ticket for wanting to use my toilet.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, according to some things that the motorist said in the video that I just presented to you, I got the understanding that he said that he was trying to get home to use the toilet, you see me? Now, I'm going to tell you something, you see? And what I'm about to tell you, it happened to me many times. I don't know about anyone else, but I'm telling you about me. A lot of times, I have to hurry to the bathroom because of something that I want to do in the bathroom. You understand? And that's as far as I'm going to put it or say about that. You understand me? Yeah, so I hope you understand what I'm saying. But on a real though, I cannot tell who was wrong when it comes on to some of the things that have been shown and said in this video. You understand me? No, I cannot tell who was wrong. You see me? But you, my viewers and subscribers, can let me know what you think, alright? Yeah, and with that, I'm going to move on to another video. Alright, so the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show a disabled person playing a game that is known as pool. You see me? This video shows a person with parts of his body amputated playing the game that is known as pool with another person. You see what I'm saying to you? Viewers and subscribers, I want you to take a look at this video and tell me what you think about this video. You see me? In my point of view, I think that the disabled person played the game very well. You see me I say? Alright, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers, discretion is advised. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
zime kwa chadada yuko kwa mwana. Singa zime. Singa zime. Mfone zeso chacha.
Mwacheni ipa.
That person really and truly know how to play that game. I respect him. Yeah, I respect the person shown in the video who is said to be a disabled person playing the game that is known as pool. I respect that person, believe me. Trust me. Jano, big him up. You see me? Alright, here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to each and every one, alright? And I would like to encourage each and every one out there to be safe, wear your mask, and do the necessary things to protect yourself from the COVID-19, alright? So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla!
Yeah, man.
Hey, yo, Skilla!
You are watching
Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.